Don't give me that look. Don't think you're getting at us by being cute. What, why are you handing me this? What is this, more trash? Better be a written apology. Let's see this. Oh, look how big you are. Oh, this is very nice. Hey, we gotta get this framed. Put up at the top of the fridge. I can't stay there.
All right, just finished test track, and now we're heading over to Guardians.
Citizens, past and present. This is the extensive knowledge, yet I am constantly learning, and I am now learning about you and your planet, Terra.
Please take one giant step forward, thank you for everybody. Take one giant step forward for me, please.
Taking your pod. No, you're not. You will not be taking our pod today, sir.
Okay, I'm locked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Wow, Guardians of the Galaxy ride, that ride was awesome. Awesome. Definitely.